Hi guys, welcome to the part 14 and let's get down to business immediately. So sketch on this face and show this sketch because we need a midpoint for the cycle we are drawing. So place it here and dimension is diameter 5. So this is gonna be light. And let's do extrusion, of course. I'm gonna put it up to this edge, so we can do the same, or we can make it just a little bit longer. Let's try and make it just a little bit longer. So blind 6 5 okay, 5.5. so when we render it we can see the lights better if it's bigger light, and the fillet should be 2.5. Next thing is fillets for this water drop, 0.1 for this and this edge. It's gonna take all edges together, of course. Okay, now we have to build some things on the bottom of these. Okay, let me study what the hell is this. Okay, sketch on this face and let's draw a center line somewhere around here and make it parallel with this edge and make these two, no, let's convert this edge, and this point and this center line are coincident, so this should be for construction. And let's do a, well, looks like we don't need it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do a cycle here, and dimension is 10. Okay, R5. Okay, so okay, make sure that this point is going above this edge. So we need 2 more lines, and we're going to do the offset, not the convert offset. Okay, by 5 bi-directional. That's it. Trim. Yeah, I'm gonna delete these dimensions, and that's it. As I said, make sure that these points are going above this edge so that we can convert the edge and trim them properly. So that's pretty much it. Let's see what's left, and place this dimension, go like this, and it should be 50. Okay, and I'm gonna cut it up to this edge. Okay, save, and what's next? Okay, we need a sketch on this face, and it's a cycle concentric to this one, for example, and diameter is 4. So it goes how much? Okay, it's gonna go up to this face, I guess. So extrude up to this edge. Okay, Next thing is planes. So select this face here and go to reference geometry, select plane. Now I have to wait for my PC and type in 3.5. It should be just like this, and this arrow should be in this way. So if it's not in this way, then just flip, no, this is some other flip normal. So make sure it's going this way. Sketch, high, okay. Now we need one curve by 2 points, but first let me take a selfie. Let's color this edge, make it for construction, and the curve goes from the midpoint to somewhere around here, and it's normal to this midpoint, and drag this. Okay, drag this. Wow, what the hell. So this should be horizontal, and let's drag this point around here somewhere. It goes, let me check, from the origin it goes 15 and 7.5. So 7.5, it should be somewhere around here. 7.5, and this control point should be 25. Okay, let's save this sketch and exit, but make this boss shorter, edit feature, and clear selection. Let's make it up to this edge. So our sketch is gonna change right now. Edit sketch up to I mean normal to sketch, and now it looks better. I think this is what I wanted. But let's draw another curve that goes from midpoint to somewhere around here, and make this point horizontal, and this one should be vertical. So smart dimension, and this control point should go 35, and this one 25. Okay, that's better. And as we said, 15 and 7.5. Haydi jebem umattı. 7.5. So let's put 30 here. Now it's off. I think that's it. Okay, exit the sketch, and let's just do sketch here. Only convert entities, exit sketch, and you can do a sweep. This curve as a path, and we're done. So let's see what's next. Plane by top. Okay, so select top plane and make another one 7.5 above this one, and okay, now let's draw a sketch on it, and this is gonna be one very difficult, not so difficult sketch, but it's not gonna be really interesting. So for a start, let's convert this edge and make it for construction. Now carefully watch what I'm doing. We're gonna draw one difficult, complicated curve that starts here in this midpoint. So next point is somewhere around here, but hold Control to avoid this snapping. Okay, and next point should be somewhere around here. Next one is below the origin, so somewhere around here and from the right side of this starting point. Next one is somewhere around here from the left, between origin and this starting point, and make sure that this is something like second row. So the next one is close to this one. What's happening with my PC? Can't see anything. Okay, I'm gonna continue with the curve from this point. No, I can't. Fuck, let's draw it again. I don't know what's problem here. So from the midpoint, I'm gonna draw it simplified this time. So from here to here to here, and again somewhere around here and here. Okay, now it's working and it's finishing here. So first thing we have to set is this line and the curve, they are normal. What the hell? Well, I'm gonna click yes. Okay. Wow. I don't know what the hell the SolidWorks is doing. Draw it in my part that is finished. There is no problem at all. So this is vertical, and now let's try and make this normal too. Fuck. 0 fucking what? This is really annoying. So what I'm going to do is pulling these control points, and now angle between these two is gonna be, what the hell, 90 degrees. So there is no problem right now. I hope you are not also having some problems. And origin and this point are horizontal. Okay, distance between is 62. Okay, and this is, let me just find it, 50. Okay, and distance for this point is 185. I hope you're not having some problems, because my sketch doesn't look so good. Okay, we can adjust it later. So it goes from the origin to this point. Let me find dimension. It's can't believe this shit. I have to pause the recording to find dimension for this. Yes. So it goes from the origin to this. Vertical. And it goes 70. Let's right click on the curve and add insert split spline point. So insert it somewhere around here. And let's put dimensions in 28 and 35. So now it looks a lot better. Let's see like this. Yeah, now it's perfect. We are almost making it perfect. So this point should be around here. So $19.5. And again I forgot to put dimensions in. Can't believe. So it's 40, no 39, sorry. Okay, and let's drag this control point, and the angle is with this edge 78. This sketch looks terrible. I can't believe I made something this ugly. So 166. Okay, it's totally messed up. Okay, let's drag this point just a little bit down and make this fucking control point vertical. So again, push down to go below the origin. So from the origin 3.5 and 68.5. The reason why I'm so pissed off is that I want to make this tutorial perfect from the beginning to the start to the end. And the SolidWorks is not letting me, as you can see. Who cares? In the end we are gonna delete some of the dimensions and it's gonna be great. So from our origin to this point we go 82 and like this we go to 22. I hell don't know what's wrong. We draw one center line, it should be horizontal, and dimension between is, I mean the angle between is 21. So this distance is 260. And now, as you can see, it's perfect. Let's organize this sketch so that you can see dimensions well. Well, it looks like there is no way that this can be organized. So I'm gonna go through from the first point and show you dimensions again. So it's 50 for this control point, and the angle is of course 90 degrees between this center line and control point. Next one is, what the hell is this? In the end I'm having some crap here because the curve is tangent to itself. I can't believe it. So let's make this bigger. Let's put 180. Okay, 220. 250. Let's make this one bigger. This looks terrible. Okay, I hope that this is gonna work. You can do this sketch by yourself, however you want, and what the fuck is happening? Okay, what I wanted to achieve is to make some cable here. So sweep, and we'll use this sketch. So this, something like this you should get. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be there. Okay, that was everything for today, and in the next few videos we are gonna finish this and I'm gonna celebrate. See you next time, thanks for watching.